Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to do a video of my car. I just got it back from the body shop. Got an all new paint job. Look at how glossy that is. Looks so good. Yeah, I guess it takes like a month for it to cure, but so I gotta be real easy with the paint. Can't wax it or anything like that, but just wanted to show you guys how glossy that looks. Just got it back yesterday, actually, so I'm pretty excited not to be driving my commute car, Honda Civic, or the rental car, which was a Toyota Corolla. Brand new one, which was nice, but yeah, love having the Subaru back. And yeah, a couple of you guys wanted to see a video of an engine shot. So I'm going to do that for you. So let me pop the trunk for you real quick. Damn, love those DRLs on the 2015, the 17 STI, and WRX. I love that new look of the 18 plus WRX STI, that front bumper. But with these DRLs on the 2017 I have, just makes it look sick, that front end. It's real unique. I got the stock highlights. They run as a DRL on the stock, Subaru WRX STIs. And I disconnected that, so I have it just running the bottom Subispeed DRLs, which it looks way better. I recommend, if you guys have this body style, to unplug the stock highlight DRLs. And if you guys don't know, it's right underneath the passenger fender over here to disconnect these from running, all the time. That plug is right underneath this fog light. You'll see it, and you just unplug it. You don't have to deal with this ugly stock DRLs running. And I just got these running all the time, which looks way better. How it should have came stock. But anyways, here I'll show you the engine bay real quick. I'm real excited. I got the car back. It was like 3 weeks without it, so it's, pretty nice. Before I sent it off, I did get a few little like cosmetic stuff. So I'll show you that too with the engine bay. There it is. Okay, there it is. You guys wanted a shot of the engine bay, so I just wanted to show you a video. Pretty nice. So one of the newest things I got was the Grimspeed alternator cover. I've been wanting one of these for years, and it's not like something you need, so I put it off and finally got one. Looks so sick. I love the look of that Grimspeed alternator cover. Goes with the shroud I have. And another thing I got was the turbo blanket, hopefully to get rid of some of that heat from the summer. Here's a video, or I got the light on for you. You can see it. I got it stuffed underneath the Grimspeed heat shield I have. And yeah, I noticed with the heat shield off, I can leave my hand on the turbo blanket while the car is running or after driving it. But when I put the heat shield over the turbo blanket, it's kind of weird. The heat shield, I can't put my hand on it. It burns. So Not sure about that, if that even matters, but I double gloved it just to try to, keep all the heat in as possible as I can. So I got that turbo blanket now to go with. I heat wrapped the downpipe, the up pipe, which you can't see, but you can see the header I wrapped when I installed that not too long ago. Still looks pretty sick. But anyways, yeah, just wanted to show you the video of the engine bay. Just pretty stoked, got my car back. And yeah, still, here's something I need to upgrade. It's still the stock blow-off valve. And, well, it's not a blow-off valve, bypass valve, that's it. Gotta upgrade that. Might as well go with Cobb, right? So there's so many Cobb emblems. Not. Cobb's a ripoff. But yeah, I need to upgrade that. And the future for this is just, I'm gonna get the motor built and try to go over, or not try, it'll easily go over 500 wheel horsepower once I get it built. And yeah, that's a lot of money. Just, I've been putting it off for years, but if I really want to, make 500 wheel horsepower or more, I just got to get it built. So not sure when I'm going to do that. Maybe this summer, or I'm still holding off, but yeah, not much more I can do to this with performance. I'm pretty maxed out on everything. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys. I appreciate all the guys that have been, following me on YouTube, watching, just updates and things I put up of my STI. I'm glad you guys love seeing this car, just like, I love it too. But yeah, I got it painted because in the wintertime I drove it to Washington, and that car, just driving through the winter up there, Oregon, Washington, it just straight fucked up the paint. The whole front end chipped up, hood, roof, mirrors, everything, even down the sides of the car chipped. It was bad. So, I decided to stop putting it off, and I got it repainted, and yeah, it was worth it. But yeah, just pretty stoked to get it back. Wanted to show you guys a video of my car since I just got it back. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys staying busy during the, this quarantine, and staying out of trouble. Doing the best with your time. But thanks for watching. Good night.